everybody, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's Watch and Learn, we're gonna go through one of my favorite sewing activities. Today, we're gonna do some English paper piecing, and if you haven't gotten on the bandwagon for that yet, I really hope that this one convinces you to join me. So I will specifically be doing English paper piecing for the top panel of a two-tone snack bag. We're gonna make this snack bag in the next video. Today, we're just gonna go over this top panel. Now, there is no voice in today's video. It is just music. It is a relaxing, laid-back video. If you want a full tutorial where I guide you through it with my words on how to do English paper piecing, I do have other tutorials down below and I will link them. However, I'm going to be doing two panels today using two different sizes of our English paper piecing hexagon sets. I will be using the hexagon set that has a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I will be using the hexagon set that is for the stabilizer cuts. I will be using Decovil Light as my stabilizer. This is not typical. Usually in English paper piecing, you're actually going to be using pieces of paper and then wrap the fabric around it, remove the paper, and then sew it all together. That's more for a quilt. I am not using my finished pieces for quilts. I'm using them for bags, so I like having some more structure. So this is a great way to eat up scraps of Decovil Light. That stuff is expensive. You don't want to throw away the little bits, but you can't really use them on bigger bags. This is a great craft to use them on. So if you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, I hope you consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see some more English paper piecing on the channel, maybe with some more elaborate designs, please let me know. We are going to be doing a quilt series, hopefully in 2026. There is going to be some more complicated English paper piecing in that quilt series. However, when I'm doing English paper piecing videos, especially for bags that are great for beginners, I like to keep it as simple as possible. And these larger hexagons are just perfect for quick English paper piecing that gives you that really homey, crafty feel of like hand stitching on your couch watching a Christmas movie, but you're not spending months and months hand stitching on your couch watching movies. All right, guys, let's get started.